Hello guys, and welcome you back to my channel. My name is Alon. I'm reaching live from Lagos, Nigeria. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can make money with this app. Okay guys, before I proceed on, if you have not subscribed to my channel or you are just new, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumb up and comment whatever you want to say. My community, you see that I have not been released video for the past 3 weeks just because I went for a research at Ghana, so I've back fully now. But all my crypto arbitrage now that I'll be releasing, we are going to be using sim, so international sim, so that for more profitable business. Okay guys, so any crypto link to Binance, everything we are using sim. Okay guys, so the research has completed and I want to complete it in Nigeria here. And next video on crypto arbitrage, you will see different type of crypto, and then you will have to purchase the same. But don't worry, let the video start coming or rolling out. Okay guys, so in today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to just make money. You use money to make money. Okay guys, so let's start the tutorial. Okay, so the app we are using is 3C Digital. Okay guys, 3C Digital is the app we are using. How to make money with this app. Okay guys, so let me log in with this app now. As you can see the app here, so the next thing here is to, I've already signed. I want to log in. Okay, so the next thing to just put my phone number there, that is 763-457. Okay guys, so my login password, so I have to pause. Okay guys, so I have logged it now. So this is another way to make money, but I'm not interested with this one. So let me click OK. Now as you can see, this is the interface of the app. Okay guys, so how can you make money? Let me quickly show you how you can make money with this app. The first thing here is to come down to this area. Can you see this product? Okay, so this product, now just click on the product and you see a lot of products here. You can see from starting from this place, you can see sport headsets, VR glasses. Okay, so Xiaomi watch, all this one phone, everything, projector, Samsung Galaxy, iPhone, Apple. Okay, so what you do is to buy one of these products. So when you buy any one of these products, so you will start earning money. For instance, now let's assume that I want to buy this headset. Let's assume that I want to buy these VR glasses. I'll just click on, just have to click on it like this. You see that? Just have to click on it like this. So as you can click on it, you can see that VR glasses is 8,000 naira. So as you see it here, when you buy it 8,000 naira, and then any daily earning is 3,080 for 40 days. That is every day. Immediately you buy this 8,000 naira, you will be earning 380 for 40 days before the validity will expire. Okay guys, so let me just go back to my calculator. Okay, now, so as I said, you will be earning daily earning 380 naira for 40 days. Okay guys, so let me go to calculator now and see exactly what 380 for 40 days. 380 times 40, okay, that is 15,200 minus 8,000 naira you buy the VR glasses, minus 8,000 naira. Okay, 8,000. So definitely you are going to earn 7,200 naira in a day in 40 days. Okay guys, so you can see the profit there. Aside from that now, so if you come down to this place now and you know, you buy another thing. Let me go back again. So what it really means here is that the higher the price, the higher the profit you earn. Okay guys, so if you be able to buy 50,000 naira and the galaxy here, so you are going to earn a lot of money for that. Okay, for instance, now this is 50,000. Let me say this one. You'll be able to buy this galaxy. Okay, that is 50,000 naira, and then daily earning you are going to earn 2,500 naira, and validity period is 60 days. Okay guys, so in 60 days you will be, so let me just calculate that for you. Okay guys, so here now, so you are going to 2,500 times 60, so that is 150,000 minus 50,000 naira minus 50,000 naira. So definitely you are going to earn 100,000 naira in 60 days guys. So this is an opportunity for you, and then this app is really meant for only Nigerian, please. So if you are Nigerian, kudos to you. You can go on and we can go on with this product and start any money. Okay guys, aside from that, let's assume now you want to buy this product now. You have to deposit 50,000 naira. Okay, let me go back again, let me show you this one. So let's assume now we want to buy this 3,000 naira. This is the minimum you can buy, this 3,000 naira sx, so that, and then you can see that you earn 166 naira every day. The validity period is 30 days. Okay guys, so let me calculate this one for you. As you can see here now, 166 times 30, that is 4,980, minus, don't forget that we use 3,000 naira to buy it, minus 3,000 naira. 3,000 naira, you are going to earn 1,980 in 30 days. Okay guys, so I told you that the higher the price, the higher the profit you earn. Okay guys, so let's assume now that you want to buy this asset now. How will you deposit and how can you buy it now? First thing here is that you have to deposit 3,000 naira. Let's assume you want to buy this asset now. You have to deposit this 3,000 naira, and then you now click buy. Okay guys, so by the time you click buy now, so immediately you have to confirm, and then you can see the total revenue you are going to earn. Everything is will show there. Whatever you want to buy, make sure you deposit the same amount of money, and then immediately you will get this directly. You get it directly immediately you have paid the money. So you make sure you deposit the money. Okay, so let me go back again now. So how can you now deposit? Okay, how can you deposit with this app? How you can deposit with this app now? So let me go back to home. So now, as you can see here, so this is home now. This is where you can deposit. You can deposit here. You can click on this place and deposit. So you can see here, and then deposit amount is, the minimum deposit is 3,000 naira. So you can use bank card, you can use USDT. If you have USDT, you can use it, and then when you click on it, okay, let's assume now that I want to deposit with USDT. By the time I click on it, you can see that the exchange rate of USDT, that is one USDT is 740 naira, 740 naira. So you can deposit and go to your Binance or wherever you want to bring the deposit and copy it, and here, and then immediately your account will be credited. If you want to deposit with bank, you can also deposit with bank. Immediately you deposit and the account number will be given to you, and you don't, in this app, don't deposit twice. The account you use, if you have been sent an account number, don't use the account number to send money again, because every transaction you'll be given different account number. So don't make any mistake concerning that. Okay guys, so aside from that, if you want to withdraw, you can also withdraw your money in this app. Okay guys, so you can withdraw your money in this app. So how can you withdraw your money? So you can withdraw your money here. So you can come down to this mining. By the time you come down to the mining here, so that is where you can withdraw your money. You can see withdraw link here. This is the withdrawal. Can you see that coming? This is withdrawal here, and then you have to click on withdrawal. Immediately you click on withdrawal, so the instruction will be there for you. The account balance, you can see the account balance there. So I've withdrawn money last week. Okay, so in today's one now, withdrawal amount, minimum withdrawal is 1,800 naira. So you can withdraw. It's very easy, very easy, but it's only meant for Nigeria. Please, it's only meant for Nigeria. Aside from all this one, you can also make money by what? By referral link. Okay, you can refer a lot of friends. You can refer by the time you click on referral, invite friends. Okay, so you will earn 700 naira. You can refer a lot of people. For instance, now let's assume you refer 10 people, so 10 times 700 naira. You can make money with referral. Also, you can also make money with list. You can, in this place, list. So all this place, this thing now, you can make a lot of money. But please just concentrate on this product, and the referral is very easy, and you will make a lot of money with this app. And this app is meant for Nigerians, as I said. So there is no rudeness, there is no 419, there is nothing. The only thing is that just buy product. The higher the product you buy, the higher the earning you will earn every day for 60 days, whether 40 days or 30 days or 60 days or 40 days, like that. So that is how you earn your money, guys. So if you find this tutorial useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for my next arbitrage video. Don't forget, we are going to use SIM card, Ghana SIM card, Kenya SIM card. I've bought a lot of it from Ghana. I've ordered it if you want it, but let the video come out before you start demanding for it. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. Peace.